ensure optimal results, follow these simple steps for photographing furniture. Begin by creating a new project in the Orbit ViewStation software. This will provide you with a dedicated workspace to manage your photography process. Before capturing the images, ensure the furniture is clean and free from handprints or smudges, which will help showcase their details accurately. Adjust the lighting. Use top lights as your main light. This creates highlights and shadows that emphasize the texture and shape of the furniture. Plus, it will make the piece look more three-dimensional. You can use large light sources to create soft, even lighting that will eliminate harsh shadows and highlights on the furniture. Also, large light sources reduce the contrast in the photograph, making capturing detail in both the shadows and the highlights easier. To preview the lighting effect in real time, utilize the Live View feature provided by the software. Now, it's time to take the photos. Automated devices are ideal for photographing furniture, regardless of sizes. You can use these devices to capture product stills, 360-degree spins, and even product videos. This versatility will allow you to effectively showcase each piece of furniture's unique features. Experiment with different perspectives while capturing the photographs. Consider top shots or close-up shots to highlight unique features even more. Not to mention, customers prefer to see the features visually rather than read about them in a description. For consistency in your product photos, utilize a template that keeps the light and camera settings the same throughout the entire shoot. It will help maintain a cohesive look and feel across all the images. Once you've finished capturing the furniture, you can easily upload the images and 360-degree spins to your e-commerce platform with a single click in the Orbit ViewStation software. This seamless integration streamlines the process of showcasing your products online. Take advantage of e-commerce plugins that allow you to automatically deliver your product content to popular marketplaces like Shopify, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Shopware, or Magento. By following these steps, you'll have high-quality product photos of your furniture available whenever you need them.